Hey, it's Jim again from Delano Mountain Custom Models. So I left off last time basically by filling in all the gaps, and you could see here that I already sprayed a whole section of track, but I didn't do the switches yet. So I just want to set the camera down here, and so what I did is these are two sets of triple switches, and they're Shinohara's. So basically what you need to do is make sure that the points are taped, because it's in between, the track gets power by the points. So I tape those points off, and then what we're going to do is have a can of Badger, and we're just going to use, I was just using cans of the grimy black because they're just easier to use on big sections, but to get a little more control in the smaller sections here, I'm going to turn the propellant on here, and I'm just going to use my airbrush, my old Badger airbrush. Alright, let's see. So there we go. And this way, the can stuff is just too overkill, and you wind up getting too much paint in between. Alright, so you kind of get the idea, but what you're left with here then is that's got to dry, but that'll all be nice and continuous grimy black, and you want to get most of the core covered, so when you do the ballasting, that you don't have to over ballast to cover up any of the core color. And now all the ties, instead of being brown and black, they're just all black, so you don't have any problem there. So when you're done, then just remove the tape and then clean off the track, and then in between the points I'm going to probably have to come back with some mineral mineral spirits to clean up any excess paint that got in there, and hopefully we'll be able to run an engine over top of this, and we'll have all the electrical points. Alright, well, I'll keep you abreast of what's going on here, and I gotta get back to work here and try to finish this one part up with the two switches. I'll see you guys later.